In this video, we will let you know 5 valuable skills you can teach yourself for free. In today's world, what you know paves way for you. And you can learn any skill to improve your relevance in the workforce. While some of these skills cost a lot of money to learn, these 5 skills are so valuable, and you can learn them for free. We are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. And ring the bell to be the first to get notification on the next video. Self-taught skills makes it possible for everyone to learn and improve their relevance. It also allows you to change careers without having to go back to school. The top 5 skills worth learning are: 1. Graphic design. This highly valuable skill is important irrespective of your industry. This self-taught skill will help you produce beautiful designs in less time. And adding graphic design and photoshopping skills to your CV increase your chances. It portrays your versatile and creative personality. 2. Microsoft. Virtually every workspace would have need of a Microsoft Excel. Ranging from typing on Microsoft Document to calculations on Microsoft Excel. Microsoft skill is a valuable skill you can learn for free. 3. Stock trading. If you are looking at making real money, you should teach yourself this highly valuable skill. You can teach yourself stock trading skills to understand how the stock market works. Investopedia and stock trader websites are a great platform to start learning this valuable skill. 4. Content management system. This self-taught skill will be highly beneficial to you irrespective of your discipline. There is virtually a platform for the silliest of genres. You can write copies, articles or news updates for such platform. This will only be possible if you understand a content management system. You teach yourself this digital skill from the comfort of your home. While WordPress is the most popular, you can opt for Squarespace, Mix.com or any other CMS. 5. Coding. This is one of the highest paying skills in recent times. And you can teach yourself this skill for free. Well, it will only cost you time and determination. With this highly valuable skill, you can launch a career in web development. HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Python are some coding languages you can teach yourself for free. I hope you enjoyed this video on top 5 skills you can teach yourself for free. Which of these self-taught skills do you have at the moment? And which will you learn after seeing this video? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.